Boom, boom, baby. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today's videos, we're talking about, should you be using sound effects to make your YouTube videos that much more fun and exciting? Because I recorded a clip with some sound effects, and you guys will be able to see the difference between with sound effects and without sound effects, and you guys can see there's a big difference. It sometimes makes the scenery just more come alive than just using the ambient noise of whatever you're recording. And especially if you're recording in a super high frame rate that you cannot technically record audio, because usually when you're getting into the higher frame rates, 240 and higher, usually there's no audio being recorded. And it doesn't matter what camera you're using, so don't ask me what cameras I'm using, because the camera quality doesn't matter. It's just we use sound effects to make that scenery come alive. You know, I've started to do this in my previous vlog, and I'll link that in the description box below if you guys want to see what I did with the sound effects. I think it made the video just that more fun and exciting to watch. That video goes by quickly. It's like a 5-minute video that feels like 2 minutes, just because it's a very fast-paced video. I like to make very fast, snappy videos, but when it comes to the whole audio game and making your videos with sound effects, you can just go on YouTube and type in like door sound or type in music sound or whatever this type of sound you're looking for, particularly for that scene, and you can definitely get something that's going to be more fun and exciting than just like you open up a can of soda and you drinking it. But if you make it like a deep sound of like maybe a beer bottle opening, and then you have it when you're drinking, you hear like chugging sounds, it's going to make it a little bit more enjoyable for the viewers to watch. I'm going to go get something to drink before I go to work. I'm going to go get something to drink before I go to work. So you can definitely tell the big difference between the sound effects version and the non-sound effects version. Which ones do you guys like? Let me know in the comments below. So tip number 1, we're going to break it down. Why should you actually add sound effects to your videos? Does it really make a difference if you have great audio or bad audio? There's a noticeable difference if you use great audio compared to non-great audio, because from what every filmmaker I've ever listened to or ever watched say, they say the same thing, that you can have the best resolution with the crappiest audio and people are just going to turn away. If you have the crappiest image quality but the best audio, people will normally stick around and watch that blurry footage or that pixelated footage because the audio is so much better that is enjoyable to listen to. And That's why when you do hear podcasts, for example, they have the greatest audio, because if you're going to sit there for 2 hours, you don't want to hear this kind of audio while you're listening to a podcast. You don't want to hear that muffling and that ruffling around, because it wouldn't be appealing to the ears. Low resolution, as you can see right here, to high resolution. If the audio is great, they don't care if the resolution is 360p, they'll still watch your content. And right now on the screen, the content that you're seeing looks kind of crappy because it's shooting in at like 360p. But because as a YouTuber, we've all done like the overlay of music, the overlay of like a hip hop beat or something for like a time lapse or whatever. But you can add some ambient noise. Like if it's a time lapse, you can add some music with like some background noise of like cars or people going by. So just think outside the box. Just stop doing the same old thing, because I think that's one reason why a lot of YouTubers, for example, their videos are becoming like stale, and they're becoming like just a part of the group. They say in life, if you want like your videos to be seen, you want to succeed in life, they say you got to stand out, do something that is different, something that nobody else does. And if you're not doing what everybody else is doing, then you're going to stand out, and someone's going to notice you and go, what's that dude doing? What is this? But for an example, when you go to get audio, where's the best place? Look, you can look on YouTube for like sound clips, but just try to find the best high quality sound clips you can, or you can literally make the sound clips yourself. You can literally record the audio of like you walking or stepping on something, or you opening a bottle, or you doing something that's going to give you the sound effects that you need. You want running water for a scene, you turn on your faucet and then you have that running water. My name is Trevor. As always, remember to rate, even if you hate, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want more sit-down type videos, I'll definitely do them.